Hi guys, my name is Fadliansyah. I want to unbox my new phone. My new phone just arrived this morning. Okay, let's start unbox. So this is my new phone. In this package we get SIM ejector, manual book, and warranty card. And then we get the phone, and the last we get adapter and USB cable. Let's turn on the phone. Wait a minute, I want setting this phone first. So this is Redmi Note 8. I use this phone just for gaming because my social media and the other apps in my second phone. I think it's enough for introduction my new phone. Thank you for watching. XOXO.